Apartment prices in Seoul have been rising after the government announced its real estate policies. Real estate prices are heavily related to real estate taxes, so today we'll be exploring real estate taxes. Types of real estate. Real estate consists of lands such as forests, fields, and farms, and buildings such as houses and shops. Buildings are divided into 9 types depending on their use: detached houses, multi-unit houses, Class 1 neighborhood living facilities, Class 2 neighborhood living facilities, sales facilities, business facilities, accommodation facilities, factories, and warehouse facilities. Real estate and tax. There are 3 types of real estate taxes. They are imposed when an individual purchases, sells, and possesses a building. The acquisition tax is paid by the person purchasing the building. Property tax and comprehensive real estate tax are payable if you possess a building. Property tax is paid by everyone who owns a building, but anyone who owns a building that exceeds a certain price must also pay the comprehensive real estate tax. The person selling the house needs to pay the transfer income tax. This is imposed when profit is gained if the building is sold at a higher price than it was originally bought for. Real estate taxes increase as the price of the buildings get higher, but it's impossible for the government to know the price of every single building that is bought and sold. People may say that they purchased the building at a ridiculously low price so they can lower their acquisition tax. To prevent this problem, the government introduced the official price, which becomes the standard for setting the price of buildings. However, there are differences between the actual transaction price of buildings and their official price, because whilst the actual transaction price of buildings changes rapidly, the official price does not change. The official price is only 50%–70% of the actual transaction price. The government plans to gradually increase the official price to 90% of the market price. Keep taxes in mind when you next read about real estate policies.